din sa isa.
Takbo pa, matulin.
Oh. Takbo pa.
Takbo. Alam mo, sabi ko, hindi ako marunong. Wala dito yung batang marunong. Ginaganyan ko kasi, mama madidismaya pag ganyan mo. Tatalbok.
Hi guys, we're heading to wildlife right now. And nandito kami ngayon sa Silicon. And ito yung bridge papuntang wildlife.
Yes.
Ay, nakakawit sa bridge na to.
Ang ganda. Para siyang ano.
Para siyang ano.
Secret bridge. Look.
Like that.
Secret bridge. Kasi anti lang yung dumadaan.
Secret bridge.
Ayan, ayun.
Ganda dito guys kasi yung init, it's not giving. Napaka-init. Say hi! Teka sa vlog! Hey!
Water girl.
Ito guys yung girl. Grabe, naging water girl pa bigla eh.
So 99 nights in the forest.
The day is hungry tonight. Hindi ka anong kita.
Dito ka sa
Small bridge.
ito. Small.
In this world, it's just us. You know it's not the same as it was.
Naghahanap ng capybara.
You know it's not the same. Answer the phone. You know you're no good alone. Why are you sitting at home on the floor? What kind of pills are you on? Ringing the bell, and nobody's coming to help. Your daddy lives by himself. He just wants to know that you're well. Oh, oh, oh.
Kuya Kim, ano na?
Dati ano lang siya, isa lang. Ayun, tingnan mo. Oh.
Hindi kami gumala dito nung bata pa kami. Sensen. Hi kasi. Pag nandito si Kuya.